How to earn money with graphic designing in 2024 graphic designing tutorial. Introduction. Welcome to our tutorial on how to earn money with graphic designing in 2024. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps and tips to monetize your graphic design skills effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, there's something here for everyone. So, let's get started. Building your skills. First things first, it's crucial to have a solid foundation in graphic design. If you're just starting, consider taking online courses or tutorials to learn the basics of design principles, typography, color theory, and software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare offer excellent resources for all skill levels. Creating a portfolio. Once you've honed your skills, it's time to showcase your work. A strong portfolio is essential to attract clients and job opportunities. Include a variety of projects that demonstrate your versatility and creativity. Make sure your portfolio is well organized and easy to navigate. Platforms like Behance, Dribbble, and your own website are great places to display your work. Finding clients and job opportunities. Now, let's talk about finding clients and job opportunities. One effective way is to join freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Create a compelling profile and start bidding on projects that match your skills. Networking is also key. Connect with other designers and potential clients on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Setting your rates. Determining how much to charge can be tricky. Research industry standards and consider your experience level when setting your rates. Don't undervalue your work, but also be mindful of what clients are willing to pay. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Diversifying your income streams. To maximize your earning potential, diversify your income streams. Apart from freelancing, you can create and sell digital products like templates, icons, and fonts on marketplaces such as Etsy, Creative Market, and Gumroad. Additionally, consider offering online courses or workshops to teach others your design skills. Staying updated and continuous learning. The graphic design industry is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Follow design blogs, join online communities, and attend webinars or conferences. Continuous learning will not only improve your skills, but also keep you competitive in the market. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to earn money with graphic designing in 2024. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with dedication, continuous learning, and the right strategies, you can turn your passion for design into a profitable career. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.